students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NEET graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So our next question is the derivative of log of sec x plus 10x with respect to x is. Our options are sec x, 10x, sec x into 10x and 1 upon sec x plus 10x. So to solve this question, we need to know that chain rule in the differentiation. What is this chain rule? In this chain rule, what we do, basically we write dy by dx as dy by du into du by dx. So what we are creating, what we are doing actually, we are creating an intermediate function which is u, which was initially not there. So similar way, we will use chain rule here. So we have y is equals to log of sec x plus 10x, correct? So now when do we use this method? We will use this method whenever we are seeing a function inside a function. How a function inside a function? Here you are seeing a log x function. Log x function, but instead of x there is another function. Instead of x there is another function which is this f of x is equals to sec x plus 10x. So whenever you are seeing this kind of case where there is a function inside a function, this is a function which is inside another function, then we are supposed to use this chain rule. So what we will do, we will create a new function. This we are assuming this as another function. So what we will do, we are supposed to find dy by dx, correct? We are supposed to find dy by dx, but we are creating an intermediate function log of u, let's suppose, correct? And u is equals to sec x plus 10x, correct? Now we can simply differentiate this because we know differentiation of log x, which is 1 upon x. So differentiation of log u will be 1 upon u. So what we are writing this as this. So instead of dy by du, I will differentiate this and I will write it there. So dy by du will be 1 upon u, correct? Dy by du. From here we can find, right, dy by du. After differentiating this equation, you will find this is 1 upon u. This dy by du I am putting there directly. Now I need du by dx. So from this I can find du by dx. So du by dx, differentiation of sec x will be sec x into 10x plus differentiation of 10x will be sec square x, correct? Now we can take sec common as well and this will be 10x plus sec x, correct? Now we will write this thing as it is directly there. So this will be sec x into 10x plus sec square x, correct? And instead of u, what we assumed u is sec x plus 10x, correct? So instead of u, we will write sec x plus 10x, and here we can take one sec x common. So we will get sec x common, 10x plus sec x divided by, instead of u, we are writing sec x plus 10x, sec x plus 10x. Now see, sec x plus 10x, sec x plus 10x, they will cancel out each other and the only remaining term is sec x. So our correct answer will be option A. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.